Hello and welcome to Home Classes, a digital initiative by Director School Education Jammu, Ms. Anuradha Gupta. Student, this is Sushma Thakur from Middle School Chakwa, Zone Bator. I have already discussed with you present simple and past simple, present continuous and past continuous, present perfect and past perfect. And today we shall learn more about tenses. The next in line is present and past perfect continuous tenses. Let's start with present perfect continuous. First of all, its structure. I, we, they, you, and all plural subject we use have been and present participle form of verb, that is the verb with ing and rest of the sentence. We use has been with he, she, it are singular subject and present participle form of verb and rest of the sentence. Let's understand this structure with the help of examples. Sheila has been reading since morning. My father has been working in SBI for 7 years. Look at the sentences carefully. Here, Sheila and my father both are singular subject. We use has been reading in both sentences. If the subject is singular, we use has been. If the subject is plural, we use have been. Now, let's understand the uses of present perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about action that begins at some time in the past and have continued in present, not finished yet. Now, look at the example. Sheila has been reading since morning. Sheila has started reading in the past and continues to do so in present. She has not finished the reading yet. Now look at the another sentence. My father has been working in CBI for 7 years. My father has been working in the past. My father started working in the past and still continues to work. Note one thing, we use for and since in the present perfect continuous tense. For and since tells us about the time in the past. Since is used to tell when the action started. Definite time. For is used for indefinite time. It means when the specific particular time is not given, we use for, and when the specific or particular time is given, we use since. Let's some more example. They have been watching the snow for 3 hours. Here, no specific time is mentioned. We use for. He has been going to school since 2018. Here, specific time, specific year is mentioned. We use since. Well, students, now we understand past perfect continuous tense. First of all, its structure. Subject, whether it is singular or plural, we use had been and present participle form of verb, that is verb with ing and rest of the sentence. We use had been with both singular and plural subject. and present participle form of verb and object if any. Let's this Let's understand this structure with the help of some examples. They had been going to Jammu when the accident took place. They had been She had been dancing since morning. Now look at the sentences carefully. They had been going to Jammu. The action is continued in the past, not finished yet when the accident took place. At some At some point in the past, an accident took place. Here, accident took place is past indefinite. So, past perfect continuous is mostly used with past indefinite to show that some action had been continuing when another happened in the past. The action which happened earlier or before takes past perfect continuous form, and the one which happened later takes past indefinite form. Now look at this sentence. She has been dancing since morning. An action began in the past continues in the past for quite some time. Since is used for specific time. We can write this sentence like that. Sheila fell down because she has been dancing since morning. Earlier action, Sheila has been dancing. Later action, she fell down. Both past continuous and past perfect continuous tense can be used to talk about action or situation that were in progress at certain point of time in the past, while the past continuous merely show continuity of action, but the past perfect continuous tense also put an emphasis on the idea of duration. It is the mainly used to indicate the duration of past activity or state. This is the basic difference between past continuous and past perfect continuous tense. In spoken English, we usually use past continuous instead of past perfect continuous tense. But if we want to emphasize the duration of time, we always use past perfect continuous tense instead of past continuous tense. Well, students, this is all about today. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.